Good evening, everybody. In our last problem, we took a look at how to determine how long it would take something to fall based on the height and the acceleration due to gravity. Well, that makes a useful counterpoint. We could, in theory and in practice, figure out the height of something by how long it takes for it to fall. In the spirit of that, let's use an example from my own life. I have a bottomless pit in my yard, a nearly bottomless pit, sorry, where I throw students' failed tests. I decide that in order to improve class performance and participation, I will throw everyone's smartphones into this pit. If it takes 6 minutes for a phone to hit the bottom of my nearly bottomless pit, how deep is the pit? Well, let's start by setting up our equations. S equals xi plus vit plus 1 half at squared, and a is equal to vf minus vi over t. And our variables, s, xi, vi, vf, a, and t. So, what is the information that I currently know? Well, I know that it's nearly bottomless, but nearly bottomless doesn't tell me how far the bottom is. I know that it takes 6 minutes, okay, but, I can't just put 6 minutes into my time because my time is in seconds. We're always working in seconds. So, 6 times 60 is 360. So, 360 seconds. Why 360 seconds? Well, there are 60 seconds equals 1 minute. So 60 times 6 is going to give me the seconds in 6 minutes. Simple enough. So what else do I know? I know acceleration is due to gravity. We're on the Earth. My house is on the Earth. So our acceleration due to gravity is going to be 9.8. But wait a minute. Is it negative 9.8 or positive 9.8? Well, that's for us to decide. We have a nearly bottomless pit here. And we're trying to find how deep it is. So, all of our motion is going in this direction. So once again, just like the last problem, let's make this direction positive. And let's make this our 0. So, ground is 0, xi, 0 meters, vi, remember, this is positive, vi. What is our vi? Well, I'm dropping the phones into the pit, so I'm dropping. That means our vi is 0. Nice and simple. So, how deep is this pit? Well, S is equal to xi plus vit plus 1 half at squared. I know I'm using that because I don't have a vf. I could solve for vf, but it's asking for the distance. How deep is that pit? So, xi vit at squared. Xi, that's 0. I can get rid of it. Nice and simple. VIT. VI is 0. That's going to make T 0 in that term. So, it's gone. 1 half AT squared. I already have all that information. I don't actually have to do any algebra. So, I can just rewrite this. S equals 1 half 9.8 and 360 squared. 9.8 times 1 half, we already know that's going to be 4.9. And 360 squared, let's take a look at that. That is going to be 129,600. 49 times 4.9 times 129,600 is, drum roll please, 635,040 meters. That's the depth of my backyard pit. Remember, square our answer. In just a sec. Let me put that in miles. Let's see how far that really is. Okay, 635,040 meters is going to be 394 miles. Now that is nice and deep. Now again, if you were to go the extra mile and convert your units to a unit that you're more used to so that we can all kind of understand the problem a little better, that is breaching 4 territory. Make sense? All right. Thanks, guys. See you later.